In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get iOS emoji on Android. So to do that, you'll need a third-party application which is called ZPhone 3. Open up your Play Store and search for ZPhone 3 and it will show up on the first result. You can install it on your Androids. After the app has been downloaded, open it up. Now after you land on the home screen, you can scroll down a bit and you'll find a section of emojis. To simply download the iOS emojis, you can tap on the emojis. You can see it is iOS 16 and iOS 15.4 is also available. You can simply tap on that. And down below you'll see an option for download. I have already downloaded mine. And after the download is complete, you can tap on apply and tap on any of the methods and tap on change font. After the installation is complete, you'll need to head over to your settings, or it will directly take you to the settings and select the font of iOS 16 and again tap on apply. Now before the emojis apply, you need to reboot. If after you tap on reboot, it will automatically show an option of reboot. You need to tap on that. Now after you reboot your phones, you can check, open up your emoji. Now if you check, you can see that the iPhone emojis now have been added to your Android phones.